나를 보아 날 바라보아
We will go to Electric Museum from now on. And 1, 2, 3.
Where are we?
And I did the mistake and teleport us another place. Where are we?
Oh, look over there.
Let's go.
Finally arrived at here. Here is electric museum, and from now on we are going to look around this museum, and each person going to explain about each part. Yeah.
The name of this corner is the history of electric energy. In this corner, we see the chronology of the birth and development of the electric energy. And this is what steam engine. It is famous for its driving force of the industrial revolution. Industrial revolution and the driving force. And this is the first power generation facility in Korea. We can see this is, but its size is for small. It is a scale model, and it is the first public transport electric train. And last, it is the Korea's first power station, Dongdaemun Power Plant. The Dongdaemun Power Plant was in 1899. Power plant supplied electric energy for electric train. Thank you.
My story is there were large bodies of water in North Korea, so there were 21 hydroelectric power generation around the river. Above the Supung hydroelectric power generation that lengths 900 meters along the Amlok River. Is famous for large scale generation of electricity. The scale is that long time ago, it could transmit electric power to South Korea. It is very amazing things. Now I will introduce how power can be transmitted to our home. First, voltage is increased at hydroelectric power generation and sent to substation. And then voltage is also substation to port transformer from substation. Let's look at it. This is for transformer in 90 series. And finally, voltage is decreased and to send our home. So we can use electricity. Thank you.
City, one of the most important things in our lives, has changed our life very widely. Telecommunication and radio broadcasting has been a remarkable progress. Telecommunication has been commercialized at 1890s by physicists inventing telegraphic instrument and telephone using the electricity. It was not until 1920th, by the invention of the vacuum tube radio, the road of radio broadcasting has been opened widely. And here, you can see many electricity monitoring equipments. And here are familiar things such as the movie projector and the Korean typing machine and electricity calculator. Gramophone, which is the Korean name is chugumgi. There are many gramophone here. This machine remembers the voice of a person and repeat it exactly the same. The Edison, inventor of this machine, has installed his own company, but unfortunately, it couldn't be commercialized because of the other inventions. Here are other inventions of him. There are hair curling iron and the waffle maker and the toaster, and there are a lot of teapots in here. As you could see, electricity came deeply into our life and allow us to have convenient life.
Hi, this place is about the electric light brightening over the Korea. And we can see the development progress of lighting in this place. From instruments before people used the electricity to modern light like the bulb. And there are so many things people use to light in the dark. Let's check what they are. First, this is flint. Ancient people used this flint to lighten the dark. If you smash these stones each other, it makes a spark, and that spark makes a fire. Ancient people use a fire as a light. After that, people used candle and lamp. For example, this is horong in Korean. People used this horong when they worked or studied in the room at night. And this is nampo-deung. And it was usually used in 1960s, and people used nampo-deung for moving in the dark. And these are initial bulbs. As you know, Edison invented the bulb, and first time he used carbon to make filament, but now we use tungsten or nickel to make a filament because its durability is better than carbon. And this is the initial flashlight. As you look at it, it is too big. The flashlight have become smaller and smaller. Now we use more portable flashlight. In our daily life, there are so many bulbs and for so many purposes. For example, this for car, this is for Christmas tree, and this is for electric test, and this is for train. Until now, we checked the development progress of light. We can lighten the dark easily now, but I wish we should not forget the day we were hard to lighten the dark. And we can recognize the minor things' importance. Thank you.
Hi guys, here is electromagnetic parts. Take a look at here. You can see many stops and some buttons. Buttons here, and we can know what kind of magnetic waves are made by. Okay, let me try this. I will push this button and let's check it. And we can check how many waves are made by here. Microwaves 20 and mixer 30. And here is another 3 stuffs. Yeah, hair dryers are 70. It's biggest one. And here is the last 3. Push it again. Yes, 20 and 30 and 10. And then come this way. Yeah, this part is about the power plant. Unfortunately, here is no nuclear generation power plant, but here is thermoelectric power plant. This is thermoelectric power plant, and hydroelectric, and water pumping power plant. I think most of you guys already know about what is hydroelectric and what is the thermoelectric. So I will explain briefly about what is water pumping power plant. Look at here, you can see these blue circles, right? At first it now it follow this way, but now this change the follow direction and follow this way, right? Like this, it use this kind of thing. At night, normally people don't use much electricity, so there must be some surplus electricity, and we can use them when we pull up the water to higher. And then next day, at afternoon, we can use the water when we make electricity. This is how does the water pumping power plant is work. Yes, and here is another funny thing. This is quiz. Touch the screen. Energies in our life, and touch the circles. It looks like each circles means a quiz, so I will touch this one. Which energy is following explanation? I don't know. Whatever. This one? No. It says no. No. It says yes. Yeah, like this you can check what you know now here. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 quizzes here. Yeah, thank you guys. I will finish my I will finish here, and I really think this place is pretty good. Here are so many things we can do, so if you guys have the time to visit here, come here. Here is so much interesting what I expected. Bye.
And now we'll finish our project and we will go home and have a dinner. Bye.